Hi, this is Eric with Tips and Tricks Tuesday. One thing I wanted to go over today, especially a lot of times with painting on bases or even just applying a base color if they don't need highlights. One thing we do at the salon, because Candy always says the devil's in the detail. If you look here, I did one side for you. Oh, before I show you that, I just wanted to show you that here we try to keep our sectioning neat and clean. And I haven't done it yet, but I'm just trying to show you guys in the camera that I always try to do the back first because it's more coarse. And of course it's more hair. And then if you do it in the front, I feel like temples get too dark. But we're gonna work on tracking and ribbons today just to kind of spice up your base color that you do all day. So what tracking is that it just kind of breaks up that band where you know when you apply that hair color and sometimes it just looks so dark and then you have that lighter faded previous base color. It's a good way just to kind of blend them together. So we did right here. So the only thing you do is tape to your base, you put the comb in and you do this motion. You don't want to do this because that just pulls the color and makes another line. So we're just going to do this and pull it out there, and that way it's a little bit more seamless. And then afterwards, we just like to take that same permanent color and do ribbons just to kind of balance out and put valleys back in the hair. So we just pick up bigger sections and just do very large ribbons. And it just makes breaks in our color, making the color look more dimensional. All right, thanks. We'll see you next week.